Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and opening Google AI Studio, then link the project and enable any required APIs and billing. Prepare your dataset now. Clean columns, sample 100 to 1, 000 rows, and include clear labels and metadata so training converges faster. Next, choose a model base that matches your task, text, vision, or multimodal, and set the compute region and resource tier. This affects latency and cost, so pick a balanced option before you proceed to authoring. Once done, create an experiment and upload your clean dataset, mapping features to the model inputs and labels directly in the UI. Configure hyperparameters, set batch size, learning rate, and epochs, and use a 10% to 20% validation split so you can monitor overfitting. Start with a short training run to validate configuration, then iterate using checkpoints. If metrics improve, scale up. Make sure to use the preview tools and test with a few realistic examples to confirm behavior. You finish by deploying a trained model to an endpoint and configuring traffic split and auto-scaling to match expected load. Test integration thoroughly, check latency, accuracy on holdout data, and sample rate limits while monitoring logs. If results lag or errors appear, roll back to the last known good checkpoint and compare preprocessing steps and label consistency. Also inspect error logs and metric trends. Often a data mismatch or an unintended preprocessing change is the root cause, so correct that and redeploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.